In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Hubdoc with Xero so you can automatically sync your receipts, bills, and financial documents, saving you tons of time on bookkeeping. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Now, let me tell you, there are two ways that you can connect Hubdoc to Xero. Number one option is hover on the top right corner where you can see the apps. Click on it and click the Xero App Store. This will open up the Xero App Store, and on the search bar, just type in Hubdoc. You see this? Click on it. Now, all I have to do is click the Get This app. With this, all I have to do is provide all the information needed and agree to the terms and conditions, because Hubdoc is part of Xero, so it's a lot easier to set up your Hubdoc to your Xero account. So if you are new to Hubdoc, just click the first option, and if you already have an account, you can do that. Now, I'm gonna show you the second option, which is going to the official website of Hubdoc. Click the Try Free button on the top right corner. You see, you can sign up using your Xero account. Click the Allow Access and provide all of the information needed, and click the Create Organization. Connect to your Xero organization and then click the Allow Access to authorize the connection. Once you've granted access, you will be redirected back to Hubdoc. You should now see that Xero is successfully connected. With this, it will help you automate your workflow even more, because you can auto-publish settings if you want documents sent directly to Xero. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect Hubdoc with Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.